Of the future of the country in Germany, in Great Britain, the US, in Russia, all over the world. It doesn't depend which color you have or which religion you have, is health. And what this hospital, the children's hospital here in Multan, does for young people with cancer or with genetic disease, with such energy with the doctors and professors, and Professor Arndt Rolfs from Germany, our must, when we have a good life, is give something back. We are very lucky. We are very lucky. We are health, we have good food, we can travel, and this is the most important thing, to socialize people, to help people who are not so privileged like we are. And this is the reason that we are here. The most important thing is genetic testing. So when the cousin marriage is in your country very popular, and a lot of people do it. Okay, it's in the culture, it's in the religion, but when you decide to make a cousin marriage, make testing. Make sure before you start to get children on the world, make sure that the people and the children are healthy. So that's the most important thing what parents must do before they think. Make sure that the children are healthy. This is the first thing. And the other thing what we can do as a German guy, to show the people in my country how beautiful and safe Pakistan is. What a huge, big country with great food, with great hospitality, with nice hotels, with nice countryside. So I see not any problem here. I feel absolutely safe. I feel very well welcome. And this is the most thing what I can translate or transmit to my country. Thank you very much.
جو جینیٹک ٹیسٹنگ ہے یہ ہمارے ریجن میں صرف سنی جاتی تھی، اس کے بارے میں کبھی بھی عملی اقدامات نہیں کیے گئے. تو گورنمنٹ آف پنجاب نے بھی اس پر اسپیشل فوکس کیا، اور ہمارے ڈپارٹمنٹ نے بھی اس میں چلڈرن ہاسپٹل لاہور کے ساتھ ایک تعاون کے ساتھ جینیٹک ٹیسٹنگ پر جرمن سے جو ٹیم ہے ان کو فیسیلیٹیٹ کیا. اور یہ ان کا کوئی 5واں دورہ ہے چلڈرن ہاسپٹل ملتان کا. جیسا کہ اسٹیفن نے کہا کہ کزن میرجز ہمارے سوشل سیٹ اپ کا بہت بڑا حصہ ہے، تو اس سلسلے میں ہم یہ چاہتے ہیں کہ جینیٹک ٹیسٹنگ کو بہت زیادہ پروموٹ کیا جائے اور ان کے بارے میں لوگوں میں آگاہی ہو، تاکہ ہمارا جو فیوچر ہے وہ بچہ بہت صحت مند پیدا ہو.